Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mitsubishi Lancer headlight bulbs. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your car's engine is off and cool to the touch before starting any work. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type for your specific Lancer model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the headlight. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few clips or screws that hold the assembly in place, depending on your Lancer model. Once you have access, gently twist or pull the electrical connector to disconnect it from the old bulb. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves, but rather the connector housing. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. This usually involves a quarter turn or releasing a small latch. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan if they get on the glass. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's securely seated and aligned properly before twisting it into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, reattach any clips or screws you removed earlier to secure the headlight assembly. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This final check ensures your new headlight is fully functional and ready for the road. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.